Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A52s. Okay, first, we gotta open up the settings. Also, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. If you are, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, go into Software Information, and now we gotta tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. If it's enabled, go back, scroll down, and click on developer options. And in here we have the OEM unlocking feature. We need to enable that and click on enable. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet. We'll do it in a special menu, but you need to be aware that if you fully unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and everything will be erased, so have that in mind. Nothing is erased yet, so you don't need to worry about it, but that's the good moment to create a backup of the data if you want. Okay, now we need to power off our device, so hold power key and volume down for around 1 second to launch the power menu and click on power off. We also need to have an USB-C cable that is connected into our computer, so let me quickly plug it in. Okay, and we need to enter a special menu, just like I was talking about before. We need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them, we need to insert the cable to our phone. Of course, the USB-C cable also needs to be connected to your computer, so hold volume up and volume down. Now insert the cable and keep holding the volume keys. Okay, now hold volume up When the screen turns off, you can release the button, and now it's asking us, do we want to unlock the bootloader? We want, so we need to click on volume up once. The phone will now perform the factory reset, and we'll go quickly through the setup, and I'll verify everything in the settings. For now, we can unplug the cable, and now we gotta keep waiting until our phone turns on, and then we'll go through the setup process. Okay, the phone has turned on, so let's go quick through the setup and we'll verify everything in the settings. I'll select the language, then click that you agree, Click on more, and agree. I'll skip the Wi-Fi for now, so thanks to that it will be much faster. Also don't want to copy any of the data. Click on next, more, accept, skip. Skip, and finish. Okay, let's open up developer options once again. So we'll have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Settings, connections, Wi-Fi, select available network, and type the password. Hit the connect button. Okay, then go back. Once again, about phone, software information, tap the build number, just like that, go back, developer options, and if it doesn't appear, don't worry, sometimes all you need to do is turn off developer options and then open them up once again. Sometimes this happens, but if it still doesn't appear, you can click on software update, then download and install. You don't need to install any updates because you know, when you click on download and install, you connect to the Samsung server, and now it should finally appear. Yeah, here it is. OEM unlocking, bootloader already unlocked, so it means that our bootloader is now fully unlocked. Simply, it needs to look exactly like that. OEM unlocking feature enabled, and it's impossible to turn it off manually from here. That's the thing that we wanted to achieve. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.